Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for education. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for education in a variety of ways. Here are some ways in which ChatGPT can be used for education. Research and information gathering. ChatGPT can help students gather information for their research projects for assignments. You can ask questions related to a topic and ChatGPT will provide you with relevant information and insights. Study aid. ChatGPT can also serve as study aid, helping students to better understand difficult concepts or topics. You can ask ChatGPT to explain a concept in a simpler way or to provide examples to help you better understand. Writing assistance. ChatGPT can help students with their writing assignments by suggesting ideas, providing feedback, and even generating content. You can ask ChatGPT to suggest topic for your essay, provide feedback on your writing, and even generate paragraph or two to help you get started. Language learning. ChatGPT can also be a helpful tool for language learning. You can practice your language skills by asking ChatGPT to provide you with sentences or phrases in the language you are learning. Test preparation. ChatGPT can also assist students in preparing for exams by providing them with practice questions and sample answers. You can ask ChatGPT to provide you with practice questions for a particular topic or subjects, and it will generate them for you. Overall, ChatGPT can be a powerful educational tool that can assist students in a variety of ways. By leveraging its capabilities, students can improve their learning outcomes and achieve greater success in their academic pursuits. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, can you put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!